Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn about a Vastu remedy which is used from centuries. That's basically salt. Salt is basically a Vastu remedy which is used for purification. Magic powder which is in front of you in a bottle form. It is comprised of 5 different salts. That's basically rock salt, Epsom salt, crystal salt, and there are oils present in them. So combination of this salt can be used to purify your surrounding. Why we have to use this? In 2 different conditions. The first one is, according to Vastu, the mopping of your home should be done with salt, because the drishti, negative energies, are always enters your home through your main door. So when these energies are entering, your floor starts getting negative. This is the same reason that according to Vastu Shastra, if you have constructed your plan, but then also if you are facing those problems, at that only one remedy can solve that problems. That is magic powder. That means while mopping, you can use a cup of salt in your water. Along with this, when you are using crystal products, that's basically crystal, bracelet or clusters, at that situation through salt, you have to cleanse them regularly, because crystals are those stones which absorbs negative energies. That means if any negative energy is going to connect to you, this crystal bracelet starts absorbing them. So you have to regularly re-energize them. How to re-energize them? In a glass bowl of water, you have to place your crystal bracelet, a cup of salt, you have to add in that water, a complete night, you have to let that cleanse, let it soak. By morning, you have to clean it by fresh water, place it under sunlight for 1 to 2 hours, and then you can re-wear it. Why we have to perform this task? Because salt removes all the negative energies from your crystal bracelet, and through sun, because sun is the source of all energies, sun starts activating and creates positive energies in your crystal. So to recharge, to re-energize this bracelet so that it performs perfectly as it was performing in the start. For that purpose, you can use this crystal bracelet to re-energize with the using of salt. So salt is a basic Vastu remedy which is used for floor mopping and crystal cleansing. These both are considered very important. This is the same reason that after completing Vastu Shastra, after designing according to that, then also if some issues are happening, you can understand someone's drishti, that's evil eye, is connected to you. Some negative energies as a gift or an object you have entered in your home, which is creating negative energies, to cleanse them, to cleanse your home according to Vastu and get positive energies. As similarly we use Bhim Seni Kapo to purify our surroundings. That's why salt is considered very important. And crystal cleansing, that means all crystals create positive energies in your surrounding. Each stone has its own attributes, but when you're not getting those attributes, you have to cleanse it again. So salt is considered very important at that situation. So if you want to order this magic powder which can create magic in your life, you can WhatsApp in the number given below. Along with this, you can surely comment any queries or any doubts if you have related to Vastu Shastra, numerology or astrology. You can comment those in your comment section so that we'll read that thoroughly, and the next video will be made according to that. In addition, you can subscribe our channel so that any information related to occult science would never be missed, because through small remedies, how can we create positive karmas, how can we transform our life, this all information we will learn in our channel. So do subscribe my channel. Or if you want to check the Vastu of your plan, you can surely send the plan in the number given below. After consultation, all the remedies will be provided in our shop. And if you have a query related to Vastu Shastra, like how Vastu can transform our life, how occult science supports you to achieve any goals and targets, that means through our ancestors, that our surrounding should be always with the strong people, with the powerful and influential people, because how our surrounding will be there, our brain patterns, our brain frequencies starts adapting it. That's why the same logic is connected to Vastu Shastra. That means in Vastu, if you follow the rules and regulations, our surrounding supports us to achieve all that goals and targets. Along with this, we'll learn 350 plus remedies in our course. That's basically your budget friendly remedies, your religious, any religion you are connected, through which remedies you can use or which you can avoid. And according to your country, like which place you stay. So this all remedies will be taught in our class. Along with this, basic to advanced, that means if you are now beginner to professional Vastu consultant, what are the knowledge required to pursue it, we'll learn in this course. Along with this 45 Devtas, that's basically advanced part, but in this course it's included, because Devtas are pinpoint solution. That means after balancing the 16 zones, if you're not achieving those results which you want, at that situation, you can activate those 45 Devtas to get the great result. And aura scanners and pendulums, these are basically Vastu tools through which we can sense the energy, or any queries that's like yes or no, that all questions can be solved through aura scanners. That's give an example, like if you have a product, you have to use this or you have to avoid this, which remedies are most effective, which has the most positive energies, or the remedy placement we have to place here or place here. This all doubts we can clarify through aura scanners and pendulums. So this complete content we'll learn in our course. If you want more information, you can check in the description link or contact the number given to enroll in this course.
In our showroom, you'll receive more than 2000 plus variety of Vastu products such as radium tapes and metal strips, Sampurna Vastu Gyan Chakra, helix, aura bolsters, and different type of protectors through which energies can be balanced. Toilet protectors, kitchen, main door protectors, lucky cards, pyra cards, many type of crystal bracelets can be made as a customized for you. And Vastu Swastik Pyramid and Pakwas, many type of crystal variety of trees, pyramids such as lead, metal, crystal, plastic, 9 planet pyramids, lockets, Rashi lockets, Pakwas, Ashtamirrors, dome mirror, geopathic rods, semi-precious stone, pendulums, healing products such as tumbles, crystal chips, crystal stones, crystal ball, malas, 7 chakra products, cashbox pyramids, aura scanners and complete set, yantras, brass idols, salt, rock salt lamps, healing posters such as many type of posters can be available in our shop.
Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel so that any information will never be missed through you. And we all can transform our life in a better way. Thank you.